Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, this is Umunwanwa and Ubakala, Umuahia South local government area. So this is a village, and you can see the road here is bad. Erosion is really disturbing them here in the village. But one good thing, I believe that the ring road cuts across, sure, this is part of the ring road. This road they are seeing now is also part of the ring road. So help has finally come because the ring road is going to pass through here, this road you are seeing right here. So they're going to fix up the road, and I think the ring road also goes down to Ubakala. I think it ends at Ubakala Junction. From what I read online, I think it ends at Ubakala Junction. No one did with Bonia Ring Road. So it cuts across not just Umuahia, but it also connects you to Ubakala. You understand? So guys, come with me, let me show you how Umuahia looks like in December 2025. This road you are seeing like this now, here January, you might not be able to recognize it. Here February, you might not be able to recognize it because going backwards, like going to Obodi Nibe, going down to Obodi Nibe, work is already, going on that road, and I believe that that work is going to come down to these areas that you are seeing on your screen right now. Pata before this December is finished, or January. I just believe that this road that is going to be fixed up very, very soon due to the fact, say, ring road is already under construction. Like, this is also part of ring road. This ring road, sometimes they confuse me where it starts from. Some people said it starts in Amacha. Some people are saying nobody in Nibe. I don't really know where it started from. If you know where this our ring road started, if you know where it starts from, please kindly tell us in the comment section. So in the line, if you look around, you see that the grasses are not that green again due to dust. We are in dry season now, so dust everywhere. You can only if you're from Umunwanwa, you are watching this video, you can give us a tell us in the comment section. I just like this village. It's very calm. Anytime I come to Umunwanwa, it's always calm. I just say, are there much people living in this village? I sure anyone they be on them or they are Olokoro. If you go to Olokoro, you see a lot of people. Olokoro has population. A lot of people live in Olokoro. Olokoro Olokoro is more open than Umuahia. So after some heavy duty machine package chakwara. Was on that award, some years ago, and nothing much. But when they found way no child also abandon. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above. Please, this drainage you are seeing is not the new drainage we said that they construct from Obodi Nibe, they come down. It's one of the abandoned one. You understand? Maybe the past people where they walk this road before, where they can't leave them. And then do this one. It's one resemble the one where our governor, our current government do. The one with the current government they do is still coming down. It's very soon to get to this area that you are seeing. So school a lot of school. This road, once this road has been fixed, a lot of people now will be avoiding, it's not even avoiding. A lot of people now might decide not to just go through the tower, Abia Tower. Somebody might just decide, say, okay, we don't want to go through Abia, we'll just go through this road. From here, bust out to Ubakala Junction. People where they go Ubakala and they are coming back from Imo State can just say, okay, let's just follow through this road. From here, we don't from here in our backyard, we don't enter our house. People they go local too, and some other places in Umuahia. So it's a good thing. Say that they fix road. Dr. Alex, God bless you, sir. His Excellency, God bless you, sir. On the more watching moves or flag off, like so flag off major road, you also ring road, yeah. I'm saying now, small thing because if you go to the day he flagged off the Onimo stroke Abia Tower road, that was the same day he flagged off this ring road. And then the Equano stroke contact Bene road, I feel like ring road, yeah, or the stroke Osaka. So on a flag off also on a flag in my on a flag Umuahia. God bless you and God bless Abia State. Or I check all the man state time water. So if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. If you can watch the video down to the end, all Ubakala kaina baje. If you name no Ubakala. Okay guys, thank you so much for always making a chance to watch my videos. I really appreciate you all. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Kafa village, you know we can village next, you know. So thank you guys, and I really appreciate.